Thinking about adding a furry friend to your family? Cats are adorable, independent, and bring endless joy. But before you bring one home, there are a few things you should know. Welcome to A Complete Beginner's Guide to Owning a Cat. First things first, choosing the right cat. Do you want a playful kitten or a calm, older cat? Research different breeds and personalities. Visit shelters to find a cat that suits your lifestyle. Remember, adopting saves lives. Once you've found your feline friend, a trip to the vet is essential. Ensure they're vaccinated, spayed or neutered, and healthy. Regular checkups are a must to keep your kitty thriving. Cats need their space too. Set up a designated area with a litter box, scratching post, and comfy bedding. Don't forget some fun toys to keep them entertained. Cats are clean creatures, and they'll appreciate a clean litter box. Scoop it daily and do a deep clean once a week. This keeps your home odor-free and your cat happy. Feed your cat high-quality food appropriate for their age and health needs. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they need a meat-based diet. And don't forget fresh water. Hydration is key. Bonding with your cat is essential. Spend time playing with them to keep them active and build trust. Cats love interactive toys like feather wands and laser pointers. Cats are independent animals. They'll come to you when they want attention. Respect their boundaries and they'll love you for it. Step 8. Grooming. Depending on the breed, your cat may need regular grooming. Short-haired cats can often groom themselves, while long-haired breeds may need extra help to prevent mats and tangles. Step 9. Enrichment. Cats love to climb, scratch, and explore. Invest in a cat tree or shelves to create vertical spaces. This keeps them mentally and physically stimulated. Step 10. Commitment. Owning a cat is a long-term commitment. Cats can live 15 to 20 years, so be prepared for the journey. With proper care, your cat will be a loving companion for years to come. Welcome to the cat life. Congratulations! You're now ready to welcome a cat into your life. Remember, every cat is unique, so enjoy discovering their quirks and personality. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.